What's up, YouTube? Lazeric2 Official. I'm back with another video. Listen, to all my YouTube subscribers, I'm sorry I haven't been dropping any videos. You know I had a little situation I was going through, but now that situation's taken care of, I'm back now. Now to all my viewers, my new viewers, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on all your bell notifications so you won't miss none of my videos. So look, today we're gonna talk about, building credit, establishing relationships and stuff like that. So if you're a person, never had credit before, you want to start building credit, there's two websites that everybody should be familiar with. But if you're not, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Self and Credit Strong. These two websites are gonna help you build, establish credit. Because if you're trying to build credit, you need a credit score. So what you want to do is you want to go over to these websites. It don't matter which one you go to, either Self or Credit Strong. You want to go to these sites and you want to put your information in, birthday, social security card. Make sure everything is correct. And make sure you have your card on there. Make sure it's on that auto pay. Auto pay, because a lot of people don't put their cards on auto pay. And then you get a late payment on your credit. And then you're going to be looking at me like, why you ain't say nothing? I'm telling you now. Put your card on auto pay so they can automatically take the money off. The minimum required, payments is $25 a month, but you can pay more. More is better. When you invest into your credit, more is better because you look more established with the banks. They be like, okay, well, he's been paying $300 a month. Okay, we'll give him this. You just look more better. And those are just small trade lines, but there's bigger trade lines out there, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. We're gonna talk about another video. So listen, if you're a person, right, because I know I got some people on here with bad credit, you probably got late payments, you probably got student loans, you probably had a car repossession, you probably was going through a little marriage and y'all credit was together, then y'all broke up and then, your credit got messed up. I know, stuff happens. But if you're a person that have those things on your credit, I repair credit, I fix credit. So if you want me to repair your credit, you want me to fix your credit, all you gotta do is send me an email or just comment on this video saying help. Now I'm gonna let you know before you come to me, my services is not free. My services is not free. Nothing in this world is free. You can't live for free, you can't eat free, nothing is free. And if you're a person don't have no job, you don't have no income coming in, you need to get up right now, go to McDonald's, fill out an application, go to Walmart, fill out an application, because they are hard. You cannot come to me asking anything for free. Nothing is free. And then I have something else for people who actually want to learn how to fix credit. Now I have a credit repair ebook that will show you step by step how to repair credit. All you got to do is follow the steps. It's only a 9-page book, ebook. It's only 9 pages. And the book is only $50. $50. You probably looking like, man, why it can't be cheaper? It's only $50, man. You spend $50 smoking weed, drinking. Why you can't spend $50 on putting yourself in the next level of life? Because people, it's people out here, it's a person out here. Every day somebody having something on their credit. It's people out here, it's billions of people on this earth. Somebody out here need their credit repaired. So if you got the tools to help people, remove stuff off their credit, why not get paid for it? So if you're a person that want to learn about credit, how to get stuff removed, just get the credit repair ebook, send me a message, I got you. So I'm gonna leave all the descriptions below. So whatever you want to do. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on TikTok, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.